We are Haitians, the first free black nation, also known for our delicious Caribbean food and compa music.
Okay, so welcome guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make some Haitian epis. Don't worry about my kitchen right now, it's a mess because today I went grocery shopping because my whole fridge was completely empty, so I had to do like a general grocery shopping. And don't worry about my cap, my hair is not done. Okay, so yeah, I will show you everything that I use for the Haitian epis. One thing that I like doing, this is what I'm doing right now. I like buying like meat for the whole week. Stop it, sir. I like buying meat for the whole week and then add seasoning on all of them and put them back in the plastic bag and put them in the fridge. So whenever I want to use them for any type of, I don't know, meal, whatever it is, it's already ready and it tastes different. Okay, so today I bought turkey, salmon, and then this other fish I don't remember the name because so yeah, what else? So yeah, that's what this video will be about. Stay with me, okay?
So as you guys can see, you know, I'm the little brother.
You're not doing anything.
The smartest.
Show them what you have on.
That's
what is this? This is cereal that you are going to drink with
milk.
Milk, because that's the only thing you can do. Cereal and milk.
Anyways,
I mean milk and cereal, whatever it is.
So yeah, just like I said, you know, I'm the coolest, I'm the smartest,
You're not. It's not that deep.
Cutest to you.
Okay, thank you.
So what we're gonna do today, first of all, I'm going to the gym after that, and then the lady's gonna cook. Alright? It's cause you know, they're gonna do lady stuff and you know, I'm gonna
What do you mean?
Stuff. So yeah, and also I got work on Monday, so I need to eat healthy. See if you see what I mean? So I got myself some, no, you got us some, what is this?
This is salmon.
Salmon, and I got myself some steak. So for all my mans outside, if you a man, you need to work out, alright? You need to stay healthy and look strong and be strong to protect your women, to protect your family too.
That's not what you're doing.
So
you should do what you're preaching.
I am.
So this is lime.
Titana right there, you know, my little sister.
This is what I'm going to use in our culture. We love using this. We call it poao. And this is persil that I'm going to cut in small pieces. Since I'm doing like a whole container of Haitian epis, so I'm using the entire bell pepper. This one as well. This one I had it since probably, I would say I had it since 2 weeks ago, but I never used it. So I'm like, you know what, instead of using those brand new ones, because I have fresh red black pepper, so I decided to use that one instead. I'm gonna use both of them, because that's the one that I have left in the fridge. I'm going to use what else? I'm going to use 4 onions. Like I told you, you don't have to use 4 onions. And I'm using cloves. Make sure it's blended well, and
Girl,
then the powder as well. Okay, and then this is salt. I'm still wondering if I'm adding salt, but I'm just waiting for all the ingredients to be blended, and when it's done I will taste it to see if it needs some salt. Okay, I like using this. I've been using this since I've been probably 8, 7 or 10. Since I was in Haiti, I used to use this. I don't even know if this is, I don't know what this is. I know it's a seasoning powder, but I just like using it. What else? This one as well. This one and that one, both of them, I like using them because I was raised having my parent using it. I mean, my mom using it. I don't even know what this is, but I like using it. It's just a culture thing. And then this is jack seasoning, just to add a little some, okay? And as you guys can see, I have a Ninja blender. Shout out to Ninja. Okay, this is the garlic. I purchased them on pill, so I don't have to do the whole job. Okay, so right now what are we going to do? We are going to use the cutting board and my set of knife from KitchenAid. Okay. this is oatmeal and what else? And yogurt. You guys, I was making like a big container of epis. So this is actually full. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend this, and I am going to cut onions and what else? Onions and the orange bell pepper later on, and I will blend them together, like just the both of them with some oil. But that's what this is about. It's very full, but I know that my ninja got it there. So that is pretty much it for today's video. Let me know if you guys want something else. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. All my Haitian people, I love you guys so much, and I would say so happy and so grateful to have the opportunity to, you know, represent my country in a sense. You know, this is definitely part of our culture, what we call the Haitian Epis. We have a specific way to do it, and yeah, I love it. And let me know what you guys want next, and don't forget to like I said it already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you guys want next. So I'm about to do a deep cleaning right now because it's already 12:49 in the morning and I'm very sleepy, and I have, you know, a few things to get done. All right, it was nice recording this. I had so much fun, but my siblings went to bed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Usually that's the problem when I will see you guys in the next video, not episode.